Tasi!
Welcome to Alphabet Storytime. Today's tale begins with the very first letter, the awesome, adventurous letter A. Meet Annie the antelope. She's always up for an adventure. She lives in Alphabet Land, where every letter has a story to tell. One morning, Annie woke up with a big idea. I'm going to find the amazing apple tree. She packed her map, her acorn snacks, and set off with a smile.
One! It's glad to love you. Annie works here.
An alligator plays accordion. Hooray! An apple rolls down the hill today.
Hooray!
An airplane zooms across the sky so high. I'll start with A. Give it a try. I want the cheer.
Roll your wand!
Finally, Annie reached the amazing apple tree. It sparkled with golden apples and sang a sweet tune. A is for adventure, apples, and awe. What an amazing adventure! Annie the antelope showed us how fun the letter A can be. Can you think of more A words? Let's keep exploring.